The cabin filter is located in the left corner of the footwell, under the glove box. Remove the kick panel by pulling along its edges. To remove the housing door, push down on the bottom tab to release it from its catch. Then, unclip the top. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. You will need to compress your new filter in order to install it. Insert your new filter with its airflow indicating arrow pointing towards the back of the car. Once inside the housing, rotate the filter so that the pleats are running vertically. Once installed, the filter will expand back to its original shape. Reinstall the housing door. Make sure the tabs are secure in their catch. Reinstall the panel by threading the base in. Then push in on the clips to secure the panel. Tuck the fabric behind the panel.
Order your parts today at Filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.